Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a list layout to display the games for our category. So let's go to app, then go to resource and under layout. As you can see, for our featured games and most played game and random games, we have three lists. Okay. So there is a not a common difference in all the list, and also we are fetching the games according to the category. There is not a single key difference. Okay, so you can use any of these three list into our activity. Okay, but for any other regions, if you want to need a separate list layout, then you can also create it. Okay, so let's create it. You have to just simply copy any layout. Okay, just let's copy the random games list. Right click, select copy, go to layout, right click on it and paste. Now name it list uh, games games category. Okay, you can give any name to your list. It is totally up to you. Now press OK. It has been done. As you can see, list it itself completed. No need to make any change inside this file. Okay, so if you have any issue, so please feel free to contact me. And this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.